Hello buddies, welcome to our channel Drive Dream World. Today we are here on this occasion of Raksha Bandhan. Let us draw a marvelous drawing on this occasion. So let's get started.
I think today let us gain some knowledge. Have you ever wondered what's the story behind Raksha Bandhan? Why is that every year so many women go crazy looking for the perfect band for their brother? Well, as you might have already guessed, there are many stories in the Indian history that mention about this festival, each with their similar morals but different contexts. Here's a compilation of most renowned stories behind the grand festival of Rakhi. Today let us know one of the most famous version of the history of Rakhi, and that is Rani Karnavati and Emperor Humayun. Karnavati was the official of Mewar. After the death of her husband Rana Sanga, she ruled in the name of her elder son Vikramjit. Bahadur Shah of Gujarat attacked Mewar for the second time. He had defeated Vikramjit earlier. The queen began looking for support from other kingdoms. Initially, the nobles finally agreed to take on Shah. In the meanwhile, Karnavati also wrote to him for help. She sent him a Rakhi and sought protection. Fascinatingly, Humayun's father, Babur, had defeated Rana Sanga when he led war against Rajput armies in 1527. The Mughal emperor was in the middle of another military campaign when he received the call for help. Unfortunately, he never made it on time, as the Rajput army was defeated in Chittor. But the queen had already set herself on fire to avoid the indignity of falling in the hands of Bahadur Shah. Bahadur Shah, however, could not go any further and had to turn away from Chittor, as Mughal military arrived soon after. Humayun then restored the kingdom to Karavati's son Vikramjit. We can see in this story that Queen Karavati had died, but Humayun saved Karavati's kingdom from going into enemies, that is Bahadur Shah's hand, and hand over the kingdom to Karavati's son Vikramjit. Rakhi festival celebrates the love of a brother for his sister. On this day, sisters tie Rakhi on the wrists of their brothers to protect them against evil influences and pray for the long life and happiness. They in turn give a gift, which is a promise that they will protect their sisters from any harm. Within these Rakhis reside sacred feelings and well wishes. This festival is mostly celebrated in North India. It is also a great sacred verse of unity, acting as a symbol of life's advancement and a leading messenger of togetherness. Raksha means protection, and in some places in medieval India where women felt unsafe, they tie Rakhi on the wrists of men, regarding them as brothers. In this way, Rakhi strengthens the bond of love between brothers and sisters and revives the emotional bonding. Wishing all the brothers and sisters a happy Raksha Bandhan, and may you celebrate this festival with joy and happiness.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Ravi Dream World.